Very good. So I think there are few still joining. So let us wait for 1 minute more so that everyone joins. Till then, you just be ready with your abacus scale and also the book. Yes, dear. Just let's see how many have joined. I think I'll not wait much for them because they are taking time. So let's begin today's class. Today, the subject which I'm going to teach is abacus, and the topic which we are going to study is the formulas, which we have already done. So before we begin, I'll ask you few warm-up exercises. So let's see. Shirangani Singh, I've unmuted you. Yes, Shirangani. And whenever I ask you a question, it is always told to you to just keep your video on. Yes, Shirangani, is it you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shirangani, can you, yes, are you there with the abacus scale?
No, ma'am.
No, but you should keep your abacus scale. So let me see, Shirangani. So you don't have, but still you just tell me what is an abacus device. Just give me, say, 1 or 2 lines about abacus. What is abacus? Why do we use abacus?
We use abacus to calculate
Yes.
numbers.
Okay. Yes, Shirangani, your voice is a little bit breaking in between. Let me see. Yeah, you are there. Yes. Could you repeat?
Abacus scale is used to calculate numbers.
Okay, that's good. Shirangani, good. So let me mute you and I'll ask Girisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Girisha, are you there with the abacus scale? Are you ready?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
Yes, please put on your video. Just show the abacus scale. Could you just, say something about the abacus scale, define its different parts? Whenever we tell you to label its different parts. So now today, verbally, orally, you will just explain. Just keep the abacus in front of the camera and show everyone the parts. Yes, this is the abacus scale. Could you explain the different parts of the abacus scale?
This
Yes.
is the unit dot.
Okay. Yeah. Next.
And this line is unit bar.
Yes.
And this is the heaven beads.
Upper beads are also called the heaven beads. Rightly said. Yes.
And ma'am, this is the rod.
Okay. The lower beads, can you just show me the lower beads? Yeah, on the screen you can show with the help of your finger, index finger. Yes, which are these lower beads? What is the other name of the lower beads?
Man, lower beads is named earth beads.
The lower beads are called the earth bead. Yes, dear. Yes. So could you show me the outer frame of the abacus? Just touch the outer portion, outer line, which is of the abacus. Yes. This is, yes, very good. So what is the shape of the abacus? Is it square, rectangular? Very good. The shape of the abacus is rectangular. Thank you, Girisha. Very good. Thank you. I'll just go to the next. Yes, dear. Yes, Mahi. Yes, dear. Yes. Yes, Mahi.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say something about abacus, or can you show me something about what are the values of beads? What is the value of the upper bead? What is the value of the lower beads? Yes, dear. Mahi.
Ma'am, the value of upper bead is 5.
Okay, which is in the ones place. Okay. And the upper bead, the value of the upper bead on the tens place is? Yes, dear, Mai. What is the value of the upper bead on the tens place? Ones place is 5. So what is the value of one bead on the tens place? Sanvi is giving me answers in the chat box, correct answers. Yes, Mai? Yes, Sanvi Sharma, it's 50. Mai, no problem.
Ma'am, 99.
Okay, no, I'm talking about only about the upper beat. Shivanya, Chag, Sanvi, they said 50. Okay, no problem, Mai. So let us go to the next. Yes, Sirat. Yes, Sirat. Sirat, can you just describe about this your finger gems? Can you be on the screen and tell us something about the finger gem? Like what are the values of what does the right hand stand for? It stands for one's place. What does the left hand stand for? And what is the value of each bead? When we calculate, when we do the calculations with the help of finger gem. So be on the screen. Yes, the Sirat. Yes.
Left hand is tens place.
Again, Sirat. The right hand.
The
No.
right hand
Okay. Stands for which place? Ones place or tens place? The right hand. This is my right. Yes. Is it ones place or tens place?
one's place.
Okay. The value of right hand is it stands for ones place. So, and what is the value of left hand?
Tens place.
Tens place. Very good. Now you tell me the value of this is your right, my right hand. Your right hand is on the other side. So, what is the value of the thumb? I'm talking about ones place. Yes. The value of thumb is what?
5.
Yes. The value of this index finger is
6. 1.
1. Okay. The value of this one, this is your middle finger. So what is the value of the middle finger?
2.
1. This is 1. This is 1. When you 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. See that this is value of 1. This index is 1. The value of this middle finger is 1. Ring finger is 1 and little finger is 1. And when we add all these these fingers, then you can say that, okay, this 1 plus 1, then that is 2. I understand what you are trying to say. Okay. See, okay. What about this is my left hand and your left hand is on that side. This is tens place. So what is the value of the thumb on the tens place?
And 50.
50. Very good. So what is the value of this finger index of the left hand side? 10. Very good. Then middle one, 10. When we add this 2, then it is 20. Okay. This is your index finger. This is again 10. And this little finger is 10. So when we add each, then we get the different calculation. Okay. So what is the value of the closed fist?
0.
0. Oh, this is about right hand, I'm saying. So what is about this left hand when it is again closed? What is the value of that left hand's closed fist?
0.
0. Very good. So these things, students, you will remember when you are, especially these multiple type of questions can come in your exam. And you should, these small things you should remember. Okay. This is very good. So thank you, Sirat. So let me go to so today we said talk about abacus. So on the screen, yes, these are the formulas which will come on your screen. Yes. So the common friend of 1, 2, 3, 4 is 5. You can, I'm talking about this, just a minute, this small friend. You leave this. This is for the higher classes. So I'm talking about the small friend formula operations. So it is given there, detailed one. It's a detailed one. Just a minute. Yes. So what I'll highlight this. I'll just erase this one. Just a minute. 1 minute. Yes. You can see now. This is the number 1, 2, 3, 4. It's written there. This is the number. These are small friends. Small friends, which is, you should remember, which is the small friend of 1. The small friend of 1 is 4. The small friend of 2 is 3. The small friend of 3 is 2. The small friend of 4 is 1. So this thing you should remember. So I'll ask one of you, just a minute. Yes, Kashvi? Kashvi Gorkha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kashvi. So on the screen, you can see small friend formula operations is written there. So these are the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what is the small friend of 1? Just now I said.
Ma'am, 4.
What is the small friend of 2?
3.
Okay, what is the small friend of 3?
2.
Okay, what is the small friend of 4?
1.
Okay, very good. Very nicely said. So this thing
Thank
you
you,
have to
ma'am.
remember. Small friends, these numbers, these can be asked in your multiple type of questions. So next is your, we'll go here. This is given a detailed description, you can see. This is addition. When you, I am not, today I have not written the small friend formula of subtraction sums. Remember, I am not done, because if I give that also, then you cannot remember everything. We have already done this beforehand many times, but I think you have forgotten. So this is again a revision of that. So this is addition written at the top, formula operation, and subtraction is there. You leave that. I was just saying, we leave that subtraction. You talk about this addition and this one. So here +1, always remember +1 is equal to, because when you are adding especially the 2-digit number or even the single digit number, you cannot count on the finger when you are doing using the finger gem, or you are doing simple calculations on the abacus scale. So these formulas will help you to calculate the numbers, okay, whether it is on the calculation on the abacus scale or it is done on the finger gem. So this one is +1. This means, I'll just explain. It is written in the long form. This is +1 equal to +5, less means -4. How you will get, you should remember this. +1 is equal to +5. Here it is written add 5, less less means -4. This. So whatever they have said, I have written here with this red ink. Okay. So the value formula of +1 is equal to +5 -4. After calculating 5 -4, you will get 1. So next is same way. Next is this one. 1 minute. I'll just erase this. Next is +2. The formula of +2 is add 5 less 3. You get +2. Same way I'll tell you, this is +2 equal to, add means +5, less means -3. So even on your fingers, when you calculate 5 -3, you get 2. So remember, the formula of +2 is equal to +5 -3. So please remember this. No, next we will go. Next is +3. +3 is equal to add 5 less 2. Again, here you have to remember +3 is equal to +5 -2. So 5 -2, you get 3. So this is the formula of this. +3 is equal to +5 -2. So next is, I'll erase this. Next is your +4. +4 is equal to add 5 less 1. That means +4 is equal to +5 -1. So when you, even if you calculate on your fingers, 5 -1, you get 1. So this is the long way which they have given in the formula. And I'm telling you this in a short form, or say, this is the right way when you are doing in your exam. So what we will do is, I'll again ask one child to, let it be Sanvi Sharma. Yes, Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Sanvi, the formulas which I have done, you can just say +1 is equal to, you were orally, you say, tell me.
is equal to add 5 and less 4.
No, this way you don't have to say. This is just for explanation. This is for understanding. But just now I said you have to say. I'll just again write. Yeah, 1 minute. You have to write like +1 plus 5 minus 4. This way. Okay. So what is the value of +1?
Value of +1 is 5.
+5 minus 4. This is the formula. Okay. So the next you will tell me again, Sanvi, what is the formula of +2? +2 is equal to
+2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3.
+5 minus 3. Yes. You are getting little bit confused, Sanvi. So let me, I've just muted you. Let me ask Tanvi Mehra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tanvi, what is the formula of +3? Yes, dear.
+2 equal to +5 equal to 3.
1 minute, dear. I'll tell you. You are getting confused. Let me. You are using. You have to think of this. I made a box now. Don't add subtraction. You should say the formula of +3 is equal to +5 minus 2. Add 5 less 2. This is just for explanation. I've just said you how you have to write. So now tell me what is the formula of +4? Yes, Tanvi, question for you. I think Tanvi is there. Unmuted.
5 less 1.
5 less 1. Again wrong. +5 minus 1. Okay, Mahi is saying correctly. She's giving me messages. Let me ask Simarpreet. She has raised her hand. Yes, Simarpreet.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
again, same thing we'll do again. What is the formula of +1? Yes.
Ma'am,
Every-
5. Ma'am, -1.
No, +5 minus 4. This I'm talking about. This 1 minute. I'm talking about this one there. Okay. So you people are getting now. I will tell you how you have. I'll write. Uh, +1 is equal to +5 minus 4. This you have to say. +2 is equal to +5 minus 3. +3 is equal to +5 minus 2. +4 is equal to +5 minus 1. See, this way you have to say. You don't copy whatever is given in the back. That is for explanation. Okay. So this was about your formulas. So just a minute. I'll just erase it. Okay. Same way when you are doing your subtraction. Okay. When you are doing your subtraction. Now I'm talking about this. So now this one. Don't forget about add. Now I've specified it. I put a mark there. When you are doing a subtraction sum, you are not getting the number while you are doing the calculations on the Abacus scale or on the finger gem, then you have to use this formula. That is -1 is equal to less 5 add 4. When I say this, it means -1 is equal, less means minus, 5 add means +4. In this case, in subtraction time, or every time it will begin with minus symbol, minus sign. In addition, everything will begin with plus. So this is differentiation. While when you are doing addition, it will be begin with plus, and when you're doing subtraction, it will begin with minus. So the formula of -1 is equal to -5 plus 8. Same way, -2 is equal to -5 plus 3. So this little bit, I'll send this again to you. So now I will ask, let it be 1 minute. Yes, Rasgun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Rasgun, tell me the formula of -1.
-1 is equal to -5 plus 4.
Very good. Next, what is the formula of -2?
minus 2 is equal to minus 5 plus 3.
Very good. So specifically, I have written on the screen. Now I'll erase this 1 minute. Yes, thank you, Rasgun. I'll 1 minute. I'll again just put a mark here on the subtraction table. So let me ask one more child. Okay, there is 1 minute. Some voices are coming from somewhere. Yes, Kyra.
Yes, ma'am.
Kyra 4 minus, what is the formula of minus 3? Minus 3 is equal to
Minus 3 is equal to minus 5 add 2.
plus 2. Okay. You should say
Plus
like this. This is okay. I'll just 1 minute there, 1 minute. In this case, you said minus 3 is equal to plus 5. Sorry. Minus 5 plus 2. Okay. And minus 4
okay,
is
ma'am.
equal to minus 5 add 1. Okay. Now say again minus 3 is equal to, Kyra again say minus 3 is equal to,
Minus 3 less 5 add
no.
2.
You should say, no, don't read that, what is given here. You read what I have written. Minus 3 is equal to minus 5 plus 2. Minus 4 is equal to minus 5 plus 1. Okay. That is just for your understanding. Okay, Kyra. So this
Thank
was
you,
about,
ma'am.
thank you, dear. So this was about Jasleen. Let me ask. Yes, Jasleen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jasleen, 1 minute, dear. I'll 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, Jasleen, nice to see you. So this is Jasleen, just wait for some time. So this is the one exercise. Last time also I did, but in that exercise, as remember, circle the number 3 was given. So you just see it is already done. This worksheet deliberately I have shown. It is already done with the help of the pencil. You see, this is a tree and many these abacus lines you can see on the tree. So circle the number 5. There are beads given, different beads with different values. So wherever it is 5, you have to put a circle. So just a minute. See, this one, they have put a circle. Why? Because the value is 5. The bead is at one's place on the upper side. And the next is bead. Here also it is 5. The bead is on the upper side at one's place. Same way, the bead is on the upper side of the one's place. So this pattern also I'll be sending you to Snap. So why I'm showing you this? Because you will come to know what type of worksheets you will get. This is your abacus scale. Yes, Jasleen, you are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Jasleen, read the different parts. We have already done, but still, again, the name date is already given on the screen. You just read them. Yes, dear. Upper deck, lower deck. Yes, read. Yes, Jasleen.
Upper deck, lower
Yes.
deck,
Yes.
beats,
Yes.
lower beats,
Beam. Beam. Which is called a unit rod also, unit dot also. Yes, next is
frame.
frame and rods. Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Thank you, dear. So
Thank
this
you,
was
ma'am.
about, yeah. So Kavya, you can
Ma'am.
just get the screen there. I'll just show you. Today, I think I'll not ask you much because already I'm showing what type of things are going to come. See, these is multiple questions you can see. Kavya, you wait. These are multiple questions. Dash is the common friend of small. Everything is given. See, these I will send you. Okay. And when I'll send you these, you have to revise it. You have to revise them. And one more is there. Taruna. is there. Okay. So this was about your type of thing. Yes, dear Taruna, wait. So I already said this is the rules of abacus. Once I had shown, again I'm showing you. This I have sent you, but I think you have forgotten. So Taruna,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, what is the value when we clear the when we are using the abacus scale? We clear it. You know, after every calculation, we clear with the help of thumb and index finger, isn't it? You remember? So what is the value of the cleared abacus?
Ma'am, zero.
Yes, the
Ma'am,
value of
zero.
the cleared. Okay, dear. Thank you, dear. So this is. I'll just Kavya mute you. Next is Karuna. Voice is coming from her side. So Aisha Malik, wait just a minute. Where is Aisha Malik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, on the screen there. On the screen, you can wait just a minute. I'm just showing you. These are the double addition and subtraction of smalls by visualization. So Aisha,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
Aisha, we have done this exercise also of visualization. So can you tell me what does it mean, addition and subtraction? Leave this off, small friends, by visualization. How do we do this? By visualization. Can you explain the term visualization? Yes, Aisha. You know calculations of the abacus scale, gym finger, gym formulas. What does it mean? We have done it. I remember because you people forget. Yes, Aisha. Anything you want to say? Yes, Aisha. No answer.
मैम हमने इसको प्लस और माइनस करना है
1 minute, dear. Yes, Aisha, be on the screen. Yes, dear. What does it mean when we say visualization? Yes, yes, say no problem. Let it be the wrong answer. Why are you scared? Yes, dear. Yes, Aisha. See, let it be wrong.
माइनस करना है
No, dear. Aisha, visualization means you have to simply suppose I tell you 2 plus 3. What is the answer? 2 plus 3 is 5. When I say visualization, you have to see and calculate in your mind. When we do the mental sums, you know, no? You don't have to use your hands while calculating. You don't have to use your this thing, fingers. Only you have to use your mind. When you learn tables, what do you use? Keep it in your mind. Visualization, just you have to see and calculate in your mind. Okay, Aisha, that is visualization. Okay, so thank you, Aisha. So this was all we did today, and one more is there. Yes, this is again your model paper. See, you can get the idea what type of questions are there. This also I'll be sending you. You can see formulas are there, solving the following on a Abacus scale, solve the following sums on the Abacus scale. Down is there. This I'll be sending you. Okay. So one more is there. This is one more you can see. Match. You have to match the formulas. It's the correct one. So, students, that was today's class of Abacus. I hope you enjoyed the class. So, keep on practicing calculations on your Abacus scale. So, okay. Then, till then, goodbye to everyone. So, we'll see you again at 11. Okay. That time we have to study EVS subject. Thank you, dear.
Bye.